You can actually get paid just for talking to lonely people online. No certificate needed, no fancy English language needed, no expensive laptop, just you and your small phone, your data, and your free time. And you are getting paid to chat with people who are lonely or simply want someone to talk to. But here's the part that nobody tells you. Some people who started this hustle just to get small money for food or data ended up finding their soulmate through these platforms. And that connection opened doors for them to relocate abroad, to Europe, to Canada, to the US, and even get citizenship simply because they were willing to talk to people and build relationship online. Imagine starting something small today that do not only pay you but could also change your entire future without you even leaving your room in Africa. If you have been looking for an easy side hustle you can start immediately, no matter your age, location, or qualification, or if you just want to find genuine connection while making money, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can get started, the safest and legit platform to use, how much you can realistically earn, and how to avoid scams out there. Alright, grab your notes, grab your pen, and let's get into how you can start getting paid just to talk, and who knows, maybe find a husband, a wife, or a soulmate. Let's get started. The first platform I want to share with you is called Papa. Papa pays you to become a companion to people, especially older adults and busy parents who need someone to talk to and help them with small virtual tasks. Now, before you panic, you don't need to be a nurse or a doctor. Papa is all about companionship. You can get paid for talking with them on video calls, helping them, schedule appointment online, or even teaching them how to use their phones or social media. The beautiful thing is that it pays you around $5 to $20 per hour. Many people in the US use Papa for companionship, and you can work remotely if you are in a location where Papa is available. To get started, you simply sign up to Papa as a Papa pal, complete the verification process, and you can begin accepting virtual companionship gigs. If you love chatting with people and helping them feel less lonely, this is perfect opportunity for you. Stay tuned because the next platform can be done from anywhere, even if you are in Africa. Next on our list is TaxHuman. TaxHuman is a platform that pays you to offer coaching or guidance in different areas of life: mental wellness, fitness advice, language learning, productivity, and even motivational conversations. Here's a beautiful part about it. You don't need a university degree to get started. If you are passionate about encouraging people, helping them plan their day, or providing emotional support, TaxHuman lets you in while doing it. You get paid per minute when you talk to clients via video call or maybe audio call. Their rate actually varies, but many coaches earn between 5 cents to $1 per minute, which translates to around $30 to $60 per hour if you get consistent calls. Create a profile listing what you can help people with, maybe motivation, organizing their day, or even English conversation, and users will book you for live video chat. TaxHuman is remote friendly, meaning you can apply and work from anywhere if you have stable internet connection and a good smartphone. It is perfect for people who love talking to others, providing guidance, and building connections while earning money from the comfort of your home. The third one is Sevencups. It's a platform designed for people who need emotional support, someone to talk to, or who are going through anxiety and loneliness. As a listener on Sevencups, you get to chat with people anonymously and help them feel heard. Volunteer listener roles are available. There's also a paid listener program for those who want to make money, but I advise you to try the volunteer listener roles. For them, you can talk to people and maybe you might find your soulmate through this platform. The paid roles often require you to complete training and get approved, but you don't need to have a formal degree in counseling to get started. You can chat with people, via text or calls, providing comfort and listening ear. That's all. Many people feel isolated, and you being there for them can make a big difference in their life while earning your income. And it is a flexible platform. Check out Sevencups if you love to help others and want to earn while chatting in stress-free environment, and maybe you might meet a life partner through that. Number 4 on our list is Gambly. Gambly pays you to help people from around the world practice English. No teaching certificate or fancy degree is needed. You just need to, be able to speak clear English and have a stable internet connection. On Gambly, you chat with students via video call or audio call, and they pay you for your time. You don't need to prepare any complex lessons. You just have conversations, help with pronunciations, encourage them to speak confidently. And you can earn around 17 cents per minute, which is around $10 per hour, and payments are made weekly through PayPal and other payment means. Gambly is perfect for Africans who speak clear English and want to earn in dollars from home while making a real difference in people's life. If you've been looking for an online job that doesn't require heavy documentation or teaching certificate, Gambly is a great place. Number 5 on our list is Rent a Cyber Friend. The platform allows you to get paid for being virtual friend. You set up a profile, list your interests, and people will hire you to chat with them via text, audio, or video calls. Topics can include hobbies, casual chat, life advice, or even gaming together. It's all about companionship, helping people feel less lonely, and earning while you do it. You set up your own rate, which can vary, but many people charge between $10 to $50 per hour, depending on the type of chat and availability. The beauty of Rent Cyber Friend is that you can work globally. So even if you are in Africa, you can create your profile and start earning. If you are comfortable having casual conversation and want to make money while talking to people from different cultures, this is a great platform to earn money from. The last but not the least is Rent a Friend. Rent a Friend is actually similar to Rent a Cyber Friend, but it also offers opportunities for in-person companionship for people in countries where this is allowed. For our focus, let's stick to the virtual friend side. You create a profile listing your interests like discussing movies, travel stories, or daily motivation, and people can book you to chat with them. You set up your own hourly rate, typically around $10 to $50 per hour, and you can decide your schedule. It's safe and you control the types of conversation you have. While some people use Rent a Friend to build relationships that eventually grow into deeper friendship or even relationship, maybe you could find your soulmate through this platform too as well. If you love meeting new people, helping them feel less alone, and earning good money while doing so, drop a comment below telling me which country you are watching from and which country you want to relocate to, and I will send you the links to these platforms as a reply in the comment section. And there you have a 6 powerful platform where you can get paid just to talk to people on your phone. And who knows, you might even find love on this platform. If you found this video helpful, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with a friend who needs to start making money online. Don't forget to drop a comment below letting me know which of these platforms you will try first, and I'll be in the comment section to guide you if you need any help. This video is for informational purposes only. I am not guaranteeing any specific income or relocation outcome. Always do your own research before signing up for any platform, and stay safe online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay blessed and keep grinding. I'm out.